have life abundant everywhere we go. So open up your heart, let Jesus come in. Open up your heart and let Jesus come in. He'll be with you forever if you'll just let him in. So open up your heart, Jesus come in. Listen what your heart says, it will do you right. Open up your eyes and walk in the light. You don't have to worry when you're all alone. God is always with you wherever you go. Open up your heart, let Jesus come in. Open up your heart and let Jesus come in. He'll be with you forever if you'll just let him in. So open up your heart, let Jesus come in. Holy Spirit's real, it's in everyone's heart. To some, it's in the light. To some, it's in the dark. If you feel it leading, follow it, my friend. The Holy Spirit's real, and it's free from sin.